Hey, my name is Leon and I'm with the MA Engineering team at the Applied AI Institute for Europe. We would like to introduce you to nnbench. Think unit tests for machine learning models. nnbench is a Python library designed to streamline and simplify the benchmarking process for your machine learning models, beyond just metrics. Benchmarking machine learning models can be complex and very time consuming, especially when evaluating performance across multiple metrics, datasets and configurations. Continuously measuring and comparing the performance of your models is an essential aspect of developing trustworthy AI systems, particularly in the context of the AI Act and its requirements for transparency, accountability and reliability. However, the lack of a standardized and efficient benchmarking framework hinders the development of such trustworthy AI systems. If you want to compare model architectures, evaluate trained models against baselines, or collaborate through shared reproducible benchmarking code, then nnbench is the tool for you. Now, let's imagine you're working at a company developing an education app for children. You receive new user data and therefore want to retrain your models. Normally, you would experiment and compare different metrics such as recall or accuracy. In education, especially for children, it's important to teach the correct things. Your new model is 4% more accurate. So far so good, right? But this would leave out the real world and its impact. This is where nnbench comes in. You set up one or several benchmarks that are important to you. Again, not only metrics. You run your models with different datasets against these benchmarks and test your business organizational boundaries. Let's dive into the key features of nnbench. Define your benchmarks using Python decorators like benchmark or parameterize to handle custom logic, all in native Python. You can generate comprehensive reports with the benchmark reporter and integrate with tools like DuckDB for in-depth analysis and to ensure reproducibility. Utilize the built-in artifact handling framework for managing test datasets and trained models. Additionally, organize your benchmarks in separate files or directories for a better code structure and to collaborate more efficiently. Last but not least, seamlessly integrate benchmarking into existing ML pipelines and frameworks, including workflow orchestration tools like Prefect or interface tools such as Streamlit. But now, let's take a look at how nnbench simplifies the benchmarking process. In this case, for a text classification model in an educational app. We are looking at our benchmarks.py file. Here we define our benchmarks using benchmark and parameterize decorators. Now we are going to set up the benchmark runner and the benchmark reporter in our main.py file. For that, we simply created instances of these two. We then provide any necessary parameters and use the run method of the benchmark runner to execute the benchmarks defined in our benchmarks.py file. Finally, we use the display method of the reporter to display the benchmark results in a tabular format. nnbench makes it easy to define custom benchmarks that cover various aspects such as data quality, fairness and robustness, in addition to your traditional performance metrics. To sum it up, comprehensive benchmarking is crucial for developing trustworthy AI systems. It goes beyond simple metrics and addresses real-world considerations such as edge cases, data privacy and fairness. nnbench enables you to define benchmarks that align with your specific business or organizational requirements, ensuring that your models meet the highest standards of quality and responsibility. By using nnbench to establish a robust benchmarking process, you can align with the principles of trustworthy AI. So, if you are interested, please visit our GitHub repository or our Quick Start guide. We are looking forward to your feedback and contributions. Thank you very much for watching and happy benchmarking.